Hi, Facebook friends, YouTube friends, Instagram friends. Okay, as you can see right here, it's a Actros truck, 2644. That caught fire in Zambia. We don't know what caused it, but the truck was on fire, then got bent. This is the results. This is the cabin, as you can see. This is the cabin, and this is part of the engine. Part is left off. As you can see, the chassis there, the engine there. There's the gearbox there, Mercedes gearbox, the mountain. Oh, that's the steering box there. You can see these are the aluminum rims. This was the aluminum tank. I see it got melted. So as you can see, this is the battery box. As you can see, the cabin rest. Yeah, so guys, engineers, mechanics, those are such experience. I would love you guys to help me. As you can see, the gearbox right here. I wanted to find out. I want to rebuild this gearbox. Is it possible? How bad does a gearbox can be that was caught in fire? Do you think we can rebuild it, or it's just a waste of time? Or are there components that can get affected inside the gearbox? Please, 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 your feedbacks will help me. But if you know that we can rebuild this engine, I'd love to do it together with the whole world, guys from all over the world, especially America, Germany, South Africa, Zambia, Congo, just in short, all the continents. Please, guys, India, I need your help. If we can rebuild this truck, I would love to share ideas. Or if you know that I can't rebuild it, I know I can remove some of the components that I can use just in case another truck has got an accident. We can use those parts, I know. But I was thinking of this engine, just the engine, the way the engine looks. I can just love to bring back this engine to life, you know. Just done the washing right now. Oh, I really love this truck. I know other parts I need to replace them, but if guys like SOS, please, that this video can just reach you guys. SOS. Wow, I love your show, you guys. I love what you do. I always think of if I can just bring that to Africa, especially in Zambia. I'd love to start rebuilding cars that have been forgotten. You know, the other part of the chassis is there. I know how to reinforce the chassis. This is the cabin. This is part of the chassis. And there is another chassis there. As you can see, there, and the diff. Alright guys, thank you. Please watch this video and share the knowledge that you have. We can only move together if we share the knowledge. And I'll share my knowledge how to build a trailer. Thank you.